Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to post a job on the 24Task client application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the plus icon down below, which is the third option. Then select the category, narrow it down, then add the budget for this service, then set the time and date that's left and tap on the last step button, then add the description to your project and feel free to attach a file. You can either attach a file from your recent documents, or you can also attach one from your gallery or take a picture with your phone. Then tap on this button down below, and if you want to post a job that's available to everyone, then make sure that you set it to all freelancers. That's the first option at the top, as you can see. However, if you want to send an offer to someone, then it's important that you select a recipient or an addressee. So select the freelancer here, tap on the tap on this circle. But if you want to post a job that is available to everyone, make sure that you tap on the all freelancers button. After that, click on the done button down below and tap on post a job. And as you have posted it, you will be able to check it out in the down below the folder section. Here it will appear at this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.